Hello, this is Sharif for Just Nailed It, and this is a Glitter Girls collaboration video. The theme for this month is stamping or foils. I chose to do foils. We are using a Modelones Minis in the shade of Lavishly Loved. It's a beautiful, beautiful color. I've already put one coat on the nails. And I'm going to apply another and then cure those for 60 seconds. So apply, this is the second cut like I said, so I can get full opacity. I mean, you don't need to, the nails you're going to do full coverage foils, but I still want what I want. Full opacity. I think it looks better that way. I like it a lot. In the comments, there will be a playlist pinned in the first comments of everyone who took part. Please give everybody a whirl, watch in full, so you can see what everyone has created on their channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Please click the notification bell and click all. That way you get notified of all future videos and you don't get lost in the hustle and the bustle of YouTube. I have recently hit my 950 milestone, and I want to thank everybody who's been with me along the way. I want to thank everybody who has recently come to my channel. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. It means the world to me. I am now on a mission to hit 1K. I need, I believe, 31 more subscribers in order to hit 1K. And for watch hours to become monetized, I need 835 watch hours. Yes, it is a lot. It is a whole lot. But I know I can do it, and I know I can get there with your help. I've had some women recently putting me on play, and oh my god, I appreciate it so much. Last night, I forgot how many watch hours I gained. Let me think. Let me think. It was like 45 watch hours. So, the mission I'm on, I've got a lot of ladies behind me, and I so appreciate them and what they're doing for me. So, if you would like to help out on your laptop, computer, cell phone do it while you're sleeping or not home, or not home, but you know what I mean. As far as the laptop and computer go, go to my page. In my playlist, there is a playlist called My Videos. Please take that one, oh boy, and put it on play, loop it. I'd greatly, greatly appreciate it. It will help me out so much, and it will help me get there that much faster. All the women that I know of are putting me on play. I mean, there's a group of girls here on YouTube. We've got a group that we are, doing that on rotation. I greatly appreciate them, because without them and everybody putting me on play, I wouldn't be here right now. My numbers would be horrible. So I appreciate everyone. Let me do this before I go on. I'm using my cart nail art foil glue. I'm going to do the index and ring finger. Apply this on the nail, and then I'm going to pop it in the lamp. And get some full coverage foils. Like I was saying, I need, you have to have 4,000 watch hours to become monetized. And I never cared about it until recently. I just wanted to paint nails. Well, my journey has taken me far, far, far beyond that. I never knew this stuff existed, the foils and the bling, and I didn't even know how to paint my own nails before I started YouTube. I had somebody do it for me, so I'm popping those in the lamp. Yeah, I had a friend, I call her Madge. She she used to do my nails for years. And then she moved and had to do it myself. Or else I'd walk around with crappy nails. So yeah, that's where YouTube came in. I started watching, learning how to do this, that, and the other. Robin Moses, My Simple Little Pleasure. That is who I used to watch. And then my son had his channel and inspired me to start my own. So I thank everyone for that. I love my son dearly. He has been such an inspiration. So I'm going to take the foil. These are marble from Charlie's Nail Art. And I'm going to apply these over the nail. Press them down in the center and off to the side. I'm really hoping this works out. I love a full foil coverage nail. I think they're really super pretty. Oh yeah, this is working. This is working. Take your finger and just rub. You can use, oh, where are they? My pen. I have a pen can. Those are called on my desk. With all my, I got one with brushes and one with these kind of brushes, and one with files and implements, and it's getting full. My implement can is getting full. To take that, rub that on the nail real well. Probably rubbed it too well. Aw, that didn't give me full coverage. Oh well. We pop this one back on the lamp so it's warmer. I don't know what happened. It was the first time it didn't give me what I wanted. Maybe I was gabbing too much. And I like to talk. So hopefully this one will work out better. That's a bummer. If I haven't already asked you, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell. In my description box is going to be a list of other ladies that are also trying to reach their 1K and to become monetized. I ask you to check that out. Give them a whirl. Put them on play also. The ones who are the closest are Katherine Ford and myself. But everybody is on a mission to become monetized, to reach 1K on their nail journey. So I ask you to help us out and give everybody a whirl. So I'm not saying, I don't know, whatever, I won't say anything. There's the first, right? So get your nail. I think this is working. We rub this really hard here. I want full coverage. It's stuck to me. Oops. So here we go. I think these are beautiful. I love Charlie's foils. So now, I'm going to take this, let me see. Should probably do all the nails. There's just a couple pieces of gold foil on the rest of the nails. Huh. Could have just done top coat. No. No. So those are being popped in the lamp. I bought my cart on Amazon with a plastic container. There was 10 to 12 foils in it. It came with 2 bottles of this. Love this product. Top coat, I'm going to be using Diva in a Bottles Princess Nails by Diana. Her no wipe top coat. Love, love, love. Check her out on Instagram and YouTube also. Check them out, check them out, check them out. I'm also going to be adding some bling, which I think I might just put this on my mat. Turn these over. Yeah. So don't forget, watch in full. Leave me a comment down below at the tail end or whenever. Let me know what you think of my mani. Let's see. Let's see. Can't see. So I'm just gonna pop some of these little pieces on the nails. Whoops. Trying to get us some beautiful coverage here. And I don't have enough out. Don't have enough out. So I try to tear some off here with the good old tweezers. Break it up. I always want to tear apart for it. My nail ain't hitting it. Something. Whoa. Oh my goodness, where'd it go? Oh, it wasn't in here after all. My bad. Got so many lights on I can't see what I'm doing. I think that is really beautiful. What do you think? What do you think? I don't know if I should add some bling or not. And my foil that I'm using is also from Charlie's Nail Art. My foil, all my foils from Charlie's. So use my code on there and save yourself 10%. It'll be across the screen. Also, all my discount codes, like the Nail Junkie acrylics, is 20% off. That's in my my description box. All my all my discount codes, Maniology, Model Ones, they're all in my description box. So check them out. Save yourself some coins. I'm gonna go in now with some top coat so I can add some. I don't know if I want to add bling or not. I think this is just really pretty. I don't know. Decisions. These are just beautiful. Foil turned out really well. Love how the little pieces of foil look. Apply a nice glossy top coat all the day. Whoops. Tina from Shimano, and she's doing live videos Monday through Friday, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. California time it is noon, which is Pacific time, I believe. Pacific time. She says, like how if you take the brush from top to bottom, like 3 strokes, you're great, you're perfect, you're getting full coverage. She says if you go a bunch of times that you're putting air pockets in there. So I don't know. I don't think I'm going to add bling. I think I'm going to leave this as it is. I think this is a really beautiful manicure. I think it's looking gorgeous. I'm going to pop that in the lamp for 60, and we will be right back. Alrighty, we are back and fresh out of the lamp. My mani is complete. No bling this time. I thought it didn't need it. I think these two nails, the foil nails from Charlie's, are, well, all foils are from Charlie's, but these two specifically are just beautiful. I'm very pleased with the way it turned out. Very happy. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts and what you think. Should I have added bling? I think it's beautiful. I think it all came together. The color of the polish. Top coat by Diva in a bottle. So, yep, this is the end of our Glow Girls video for today, for this month. Check us out. Remember, there'll be a playlist pinned down below, so you can watch everybody that has done a video. We'd appreciate your support. Please put me on watch time. Like, share, and subscribe. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.